Hop into the 2020 GMC Acadia. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Enjoy the journey in comfort and security in this well-equipped Acadia. Spacious, smooth riding, and loaded with desirable passenger amenities and safety features, this family-focused vehicle has your back. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, navigation system, fog lamps, satellite radio, heated mirrors, power liftgate, premium sound system, power driver's seat. Feel confident when you're road tripping in this well-crafted Acadia. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.